How to build your personal brand online as a financial professional. Hello, my name is Leonard Miklic from legionconsulting.io. We are helping financial professionals just like you to build their online personal brands and book meetings through them on autopilot basically. In this video, I want to go through email and SMS automation and how it can help your business and how to set it up and how we are doing that for our clients as well. So let's go through that. The automation is basically for nurturing leads and boosting the conversion rate on autopilot for you. And they matters because automation is about consistency. It makes sure that your prospects are being guided through the client journey or your funnel, even when you are offline and you are not doing anything. So it keeps your communication timely, it frees you from repetitive tasks, and nurtures trust and drives conversions. But what is and what isn't automation or email and SMS automation? Let's be clear here, automation isn't replacing you, it's not spam, it's not robotic. When it's done right, it feels relevant and personalized for your potential clients, because if you think of those automation as your personal assistant that delivers the value for a potential client, confers meetings, makes follow-ups, and educates your leads on your solution without missing a beat, because sometimes personal assistant can make a mistake, this won't. So we have here quick visualization. It's not like these robotic tasks like buy now, act fast, but it is, hey, just confirming the meeting, send reminders for meetings, send email sequences and newsletters and so on. But how our automation system works, here is how we are connecting it all. So a prospect enters your funnel, maybe it's through lead magnet, LinkedIn message, or booking form. Based on their action, a specific message is triggered and they get reminder, case study, or value packed email. If they haven't replied, follow-ups are sent automatically. And if they convert, we can send them a review or referral request, for example. So we have here a quick visualization of each of these steps, so we can understand it in more visual way as well. Yeah, but what types of automated messages you need in your online marketing? There are a few key categories of automated communication you should have in place. So first of all, it is meeting reminders. Second of all, it is delivery of free value or lead magnets like forms, checklists, ebooks. The third is follow-ups for unresponsive leads. Fourth is long-term nurture emails like case studies, insights, email drips that are showing your expertise to your potential clientele. Cross-sell messages for additional services, because you can close clients on one service but they didn't convert on other, and you want to get them once again to think about your other services. And Google reviews or referral requests, as I said. So those 6 are really important. There is many more like birthday automation or holiday automation and so on. But how we can help you set up everything so you don't have to figure out on your own everything. We will write and personalize all of your email and SMS messages. We will connect the system to your calendar and test and optimize delivery based on real data. Once we will do that, you will have fully automated machine that increases your efficiency without sacrificing a personal touch. The real impact here for financial professionals just like you is that you will have less time wasted on no-shows, you will have faster response to new leads, you will have more meetings kept, more conversions, and happier clients and more referrals because of that. The best of all is that it is running 24/7 without any of your input. I have a few tips for optimization. So we are testing subject lines, tracking open and click rates. We are adjusting timing because it is important to have as well good times of sending those messages, and updating the content that performs the best by utilizing content from your socials or your websites. So if you are ready to automate, contact us anywhere. We can talk on LinkedIn, Facebook, email, phone call, doesn't matter. And we can start working on your automation right away. So hopefully see you soon.